Today we are looking at a Crippen 460 seed cleaner. We have this unit sold, but we wanted to go over it briefly. We have a scalp, sift flow pattern set up in the cleaner. We're making the video in the shop today due to the cold weather and the wind outside. On the back we have two different motors. One is for the top fans, that is a 7.5 horsepower motor, and the other is for the shake, that is a 3 horsepower motor. Both are 3-phase. There you can see the model CP460LH. That means it's a left hand. That means the spouts discharge on the left side of the machine. Serial number is 32099-1202. Going over the spouts here on the side of the mill, we have the upper air liftings discharge spout here. We have the scalpings from the top shoe discharge here. We have the siftings from the second screen in the bottom shoe and the bottom screen in the bottom shoe. Over here you have your bottom air liftings discharge, and the clean seed will discharge right out the bottom right here. Each of the motors separately. This is the top fans running. Like I said, one is for the bottom air, the other is for what's pulling off of the hopper. Here we are running the eccentric. Okay, we're going to go ahead and run the vibratory feed hopper. If you are interested in purchasing a cleaner similar to this one, please give us a call. We have other units like it available.